In-N-Out is the to-go dinner choice for many people. But when you want to power electronics on the go, the choice for many is EcoFlow and their line of portable batteries. Their flagship was, until recently, the Delta Pro. And in today's video, we're going to compare it to their new top dog portable battery, the Delta Pro Ultra. And is it worth it? Imagine a family scrambling to catch a flight, their morning disrupted by an unexpected power outage. Or the plot of Home Alone reminds us of our dependence on electricity and the consequences when it fails. People need electricity so badly that a $10 billion portable battery market exists to serve this need. So, what makes a portable battery truly portable? It's all about moving power where you need it easily. Whether it's a handle or wheels for the heavier batteries, portable options are made to be mobile. These aren't your little cell phone battery banks. They're mini power stations. A small portable battery like the EcoFlow River 2 Pro offers a ½ kilowatt-hour of power and weighs only 13 pounds, while the EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra offers 6 kilowatt hours but weighs 186 pounds. Now, portable means different things to different people. And 186-pound battery is heavy, but it's mobile with a little help from wheels. And the best part? They're incredibly versatile. Great for camping, beach outings, or unexpected power outages at home. I even ran DroneQuote on a portable battery once. You can check out that video here. Having unraveled the benefit of portability, let's turn our attention to a real game changer, the EcoFlow Delta Pro, a true embodiment of portable power. The Delta Pro is a popular option for people who want meaningful backup capacity without spending a fortune. Emerging from a successful Kickstarter campaign, the Delta Pro, a powerhouse in portable batteries, made its introduction in 2021. The Delta Pro is designed for practicality, convenience, and ease of use. The Delta Pro is also tech-savvy. With the EcoFlow app, you can monitor and control it from your smartphone, making it a remote control for your power needs. Delta Pro delivers short-term home backup solutions. With its 3.6 kilowatt-hour capacity, it can run your computer for over 5 days or your refrigerator for up to 72 hours. I've personally powered my home and business with a Delta Pro. Again, you can check those videos out here. But remember, running multiple appliances simultaneously drains the battery faster, so you have to choose wisely. I got 22 hours when I backed up my kitchen, living room, TV, several lights, and the internet. There are 4 outlets for up to 20 amps and one 30 amp outlet to access that kind of power. You also have 4 USB-A outlets and 2 USB-C outlets. There's an LCD screen that gives you data like the remaining battery available in percentage and time, and input or output measurements. And as if that weren't enough, you can even program the battery to discharge during time of use rate hours. This means that the battery backup can also function as energy storage and help you reduce the cost of electricity by using stored power rather than high rate electricity when prices go up. So how do you charge this bad boy? The nice thing is that you can charge it from solar panels plugged directly into the battery or plug it into a wall outlet. Once you charge it, you can wheel it around with 2 built-in wheels and a handle to guide it around like airport luggage. Wait a minute. Do you smell that?
Yeah, I can smell it.
That's what EcoFlow is cooking with the Delta Pro Ultra. If you thought the Delta Pro was impressive, let me try to one-up it with the Delta Pro Ultra. Launched in January 2024, or last week, the Delta Pro Ultra is a significant upgrade from the Delta Pro. It boasts a higher capacity of 6 kilowatt hours, enough to power more of your home than the Delta Pro, especially when stacked with additional units to reach up to a 90 kilowatt hour capacity. That's the equivalent of 6 Powerwalls at a lower cost than Powerwalls. Although it's heavier than the Delta Pro, coming in at 189 lbs, it's still considered portable because of its practical design features like rubberized wheels and extendable handles. The Delta Pro Ultra offers advanced control features through the EcoFlow app, allowing you to monitor and manage your power needs from your smartphone. Like the Delta Pro, the DPU has a host of outputs, features, and capacities. First, there are 4 outlets for standard 110 devices and 2 additional outlets, one for an RV and a 240-volt outlet. Plus, there are 2 USB-A and 2 USB-C ports. All these outlets give the DPU a max output capacity of 7,200 watts or 10.8 kilowatts for up to 10 seconds. That's twice the capacity of the Delta Pro. To charge the Delta Pro Ultra, you can plug it into a regular wall outlet, an EV charger, or solar panels. For the solar, you can plug in up to 6,600 watts of power between high and low voltage PV. Like the Delta Pro, you can tie your DPU into your home with a smart home panel, which allows your home to switch power sources between the grid and the battery almost seamlessly in the event of a power outage, or if you program the battery to discharge during time of use. However, if you tie the battery into your home, be advised that the battery's outlets will not function. Another feature of the DPU that I think is really sweet is that it's backwards compatible with the Delta Pro. So if you installed the smart home panel and have 2 Delta Pros already set up, you'd only need to acquire the DPU and plug it right into the panel to use those 3 batteries in unison. Now, you may be thinking about how the 2 batteries compare against one another. Let's dig into that. It is worth comparing the 2 batteries because 1 DPU equals 2 Delta Pros. But what if you don't want that much juice? Would it make sense to simply buy 1 Delta Pro versus a Delta Pro Ultra? The Delta Pro Ultra has a lot of juice with a 6 kilowatt hour capacity, almost doubling the Delta Pro's 3.6 kilowatt hours. The DPU packs a punch ranging from 7.2 kilowatts to 21.6 kilowatts depending on how many batteries you stack, while the Delta Pro ranges from 3.6 to 7.2 kilowatts. Unless you're powering the flux capacitor, the DPU will handle most things around your house. How about warranty and durability? The Ultra comes with a solid 5-year warranty extendable up to 10 years and up to 3,500 charge cycles over a 10-year period, ending at 80% after those 10 years. The Delta Pro isn't far behind. It also has a 20% decrease in capacity after daily use in a 10-year period, but it offers a 3-year warranty extendable up to 5 years, which is obviously less than the DPU. The Delta Pro Ultra starts at $57.99 and the Delta Pro is $25.99. But remember, 1 Delta Pro is half of a Delta Pro Ultra in kilowatt hour capacity. Both batteries don't require professional installation. They're both more plug and play, unless you go about installing the smart home panel as well. The Delta Pro Ultra has more charging capacity, charges faster from an outlet and sizable solar or an EV charger, unlike the Delta Pro, which charges slower and you can't charge from an EV charger. Both models offer Wi-Fi and Bluetooth capacities for feeding data to your smartphone and the EcoFlow app. And the DPU also has a SIM card slot if you want to connect to it without Wi-Fi capability. This is where we start to stretch the portable designation. The Delta Pro weighs in at 99 pounds, making it a little bit more mobile, while the Delta Pro Ultra is heavier at 189 pounds. So even though it's mobile, chances are not high that you're going to be moving it around a lot. So we've seen what the Delta Pro and Delta Pro Ultra offer. But if you're a Delta Pro user, you might wonder, should I update to the Delta Pro Ultra? At a price point of over $5,500, you may not consider upgrading to the Delta Pro Ultra unless you're looking for additional battery capacity. Depending on what your budget allows for, they're both great options or alternatives to installed battery solutions for your home. However, the DPU is twice the price of the Delta Pro. Here's the thing though, in my 10 years in the solar and energy storage industry, more often than not, people regret not installing enough power, whether in battery or solar panel form. And if you compare the DPU price point, even with the smart home panel cost plus installation, it's less expensive than a comparable installed battery like the Enphase 5P. You can watch our comparison video on that right here. And if you're already a Delta Pro user, there's some good news. So is upgrading to the Delta Pro Ultra worth it? I think so. Personally, I don't have a need for additional output capacity of a battery. I already have the Delta Pro, so I don't think I'll be upgrading myself. However, if the need arises, I do believe and am confident that it is a wonderful option to your home energy backup solutions. Plus, let me share some news about both batteries that I think you'll like. They're eligible for the 30% tax credit. You heard me right. Qualifying buyers get a 30% discount on the purchase price of those batteries in the form of a tax credit. That's a big deal because it used to not apply to standalone batteries, and now it does. That 30% equals $780 off one Delta Pro or $1,740 off a DPU. What do you think? Would you be inclined to go with one battery over the other, or does the higher price point of the DPU turn you off? Also, how did we do with this video? We work hard on putting together content worth your time, so if you feel we've earned it, please hit the subscribe button. But if you think we haven't earned it, please let us know how to improve. I promise I have thick skin, so I encourage you to give us feedback because we care about your thoughts. But we're not done just yet. If you're still not sold on portable batteries as a real solution for your home backup or storage needs, check out these videos here we made on the Delta Pro Ultra versus the Tesla Powerwall or versus the Enphase Encharge 5P. I'm not kidding when I say this. I think EcoFlow is out here looking for competitors' lunch. They've done a great job of blurring the lines between portable and installed batteries while saving you some cheddar.